I got a mini fridge last week for my apartment. In this size, there are two versions, the 3.3 versus the 4.4 cubic feet. I got the 4.4 version. The advantage of having a mini fridge in your apartment or room is if you have other people like tenants sharing the house. Then they take turns into who goes into the kitchen one by one, which can be a problem for using shared accommodation. Also, the mini fridge is very portable to move around. I was looking for a 3.3 cubic feet fridge for $169, but then I changed my mind into a bit more stylish one. I paid $299 plus $40 tax, which was total of 238 in total. This Danby fridge has two swivel doors changing mechanism, so the doors can open on either side. I'm not going to get into the very detailed specs, but to give a general idea, I purchased it from Best Buy and they delivered it free of charge. The packaging is going to be kept since it can be reused to move again in the future. I hope this fridge brings lasts me for many many years.
Click like if you liked today's video. Click the red button to see more of the videos and hope to see you next video.